ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अहिवन्
ऐवन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
न्यममडनं
न्यममडनं
जभै
झभै
घडदर्श
घडदश
जभगडदश
जभगडदश
अपछठथ छठतौ
खपछठथौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
The last letter of the Maheshwara Sutras, the 14 sutras, are called?
It's letter.
Okay. These ith letters are pure consonants. Vyanjanani, right?
Yes.
What is the since these ith letters are there, but they are not part of the content of the pratyahara, right? What is the use? What is the use of this pure consonants ith letter?
They are marking words.
Packaging.
A pure consonant at the end of each sutra is of no use. Then why it is there? This is a question asked by Sandeep ji, who is there. So you can answer. That is I'm asking you. You understand the question, right?
Various subgroups are carved out of this.
Yeah,
of
you
this-
get
of this
various
akshara,
pratyaharas.
like the hard consonant, soft consonant, or if you want to specify the one-third letters of each vargas, or the Anunasika letters. So
That is why it is there. Yes. To form the pratyaharas. Right?
yeah,
For forming the pratyahara you need, it's a packing letter. That is why it's called ith letter. It is of no use, but it is there means it is there as an ith letter. It is there as an ith letter to form pratyaharas. That is why it is there. Right? So the purpose of the ith letters being pure consonants at the end of each sutra is for the sake of forming pratyaharas. That is the answer. Sandeep ji, that is the answer. How to pronounce the Anunasika of Ka and Cha Vargas? So he is asking in writing in English, are they NGA or NYA? Okay. The transliteration also is not NGA, NYA. It will be different according to the international standard for transliteration, IAST, ISO 15919. It is different. It is not written NGA or NYA. It is written differently. Anyway, if so, then are they not Sanyukta Aksharas like N plus G, N plus Y? That is a question. Understand the question? How to pronounce the Anunasika of Ka and Cha Varga? That is asking about the Anunasika letter of Ka Varga and Cha Varga. What is Anunasika letter? The fifth letter, right?
Yeah.
No.
How to pronounce that?
Yeah.
Ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. That's all. You can write it as NGA. Yes. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Nya is, I don't know whether it is NYA. International standard transliteration, it is different. It's not written like this, I think. They are not Samyukta. Yes. Yes. They are not Samyukta Akshara. In English, N plus G. Don't compare with the English. In English, it is combination of two consonants that sound. That's why you're asking NGA, NYA. That is not the international standard transliteration. If you're writing like that, then it is, in English, maybe the combination of consonants, but Sanskritam, it is a single letter. It is not a Sanyukta Akshara. What is Sanyukta Akshara?
Combination of two consonants.
That is Sanyukta Akshara, but Anunasika is not a combination of two. So there is no question of being Sanyukta, but Anunasika being Sanyukta, right?
So it is a combination of two words na and ga, but it is still an independent word.
Where is na and ga?
Nga.
Where is it? I'm asking. Where are the two letters?
No, it is written as.
It is written in English, you are saying. I'm not talking about English.
Okay.
The transliteration is different. We are comparing with English and asking it is. We are not talking about English. Sanskritam, it is a single letter only. So there is no question of being a conjunct consonant, Anunasika. Right?
So, Charanji, just one question. Suppose I want to write a Sanyukta Akshar of na and ga, nakara and gakara.
Mm-hmm.
Will it not sound almost same as nga?
No, it will not sound. That's different. That's different. Nakara, it is like anga. Anga is different, and na alone is different. It's different, not same. How can it be same? Then the next question: how to differentiate between thr and thr in shatru, meaning enemy. Oh, okay, shatru. How to differentiate between true? How to differentiate between true in shatru and thr in shatru pratyaya consonant? Is there any difference between ru and r? Yes, difference is there. Shatru is what letter? Shatru, enemy. Shatru. What is the vowel there? Shatru.
Rukarant.
I'm not talking about Shatru. Ooh, rounding my lips and can pronounce Shatru, meaning enemy.
Okay.
It is Ukara. It is labial. Shatru, when I say it is R is cerebral. Different vowel, first of all. Second thing, Shatru, Takara plus Repa plus Ukara is a conjunct consonant. Whereas in Shatru Pratyaya, it is Takara plus R, it is not conjunct. It's very clear, there is no confusion between the two. Right? Continuing. Akuka Visarjanīyanām Kantaha.
Akuha Visarjanīyanām Kantaha.
Sorry. By mistake, I muted somebody's mic. Ramaji, you can unmute.
Yeah, SG.
Ichu Yashanam Talu.
Ichu Yashanām Talu.
Uturashanam Murda.
Uturashanām Murdha.
Lutulasanam Dantaha.
Ulasanām
Ubu Padmaniyanam Oshtau.
Padmaniyanām Oshtau.
Yamangananam Nasika cha.
Yamangananam Nasika cha.
Edaitogo Kanthatalu.
Edaito Kanthatalu.
Odautogo Kantha Oshtam.
Odauto Kantha Oshtam.
Vakarasya Danta Oshtam.
Vakarasya Danta Oshtam.
Jikhva Muliyasya Jikhva Mulyam.
Jikhvamuliyasya Jikhvamulyam.
Nasika Anusvarasya.
Nasika Anusvarasya.
Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate. Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate. Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramena Bihata Nishajara Chamohu. Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Ramena Bihata Nishajara Chamohu. Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Ramanasti Parayanam Parataram. Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Ramanasti Parayanam Parataram. Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Name Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me. Bho Rama Muddhara.
रामे
रामे
चित्तलयः
चित्तलयः
सदा
भवतु
भवतु
मे।
मे भो
ओ
राम
राम
मां
मामुद्धर।
उद्धर।
Can you all hear me clearly?
Yes, ji.
Yes,
Yes,
Sharan.
yes,
Yes,
Sharan.
Very clear. Very clear.
We can chant this Shabda. Takarantaha Pullingaha Pachat Shabdaha.
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पचत् शब्दः
Takaranta Pachat. Pachan Pachantau Pachantaha.
पचन् पचन्तौ पचन्तः
Pachantam Pachantau Pachataha.
पचन्तं पचन्तौ पचतः
Pachata Pachatbhyam Pachatbihi.
पचता
पचता
पचद्भ्याम
पचभ्यां
पचद्भिः
पचद्भिः
Pachate Pachatbhyam Pachatbhyaha.
पचते
पचद्भ्याम
पचद्भ्यां
पचद्भ्यः
पचद्भ्यः
Pachataha Pachadbyam Pachadbhyaha.
पचतः
पचतः
पचद्भ्याम
पचद्भ्यां
पचद्भ्यः
पचद्भ्यः
Pachataha Pachatoho Pachatam.
पचतः
पचतः
पचतोः
पचतोः
पचताम्
पचतां
Pachati Pachatoho Pachatsu.
पचति
पचतोः
पचत्सु
पचत्सु
He Pachan, He Pachantau, He Pachantaha.
हे पचन् हे पचन्तौ हे पचन्तः
Saptami Vibhakti Ekavacham is Pachati. Looks like Kriya Padam. So the sentence, depending on the context, we have to see what it is. Pachati. It could be Saptami Vibhakti of Pachat Shabda. It could be Kriya Padam also. Possible. The form is same. Whether it is Namapadam or Kriya Padam. Depends. So Pachati 7-1. You can note that. Then we will continue with Shatru Pratyaya. Shatru Pratyaya and Shanaj Pratyaya. They are continuous participle. They are continuous participle. As I said before, the tense of the sentence is determined by the main verb. The tense of the sentence. The main verb. This Shatranta, which is a continuous participle, this also plays a role of the verb as well as an adjective. But the tense of the main sentence, the tense of the sentence is determined by the main Kriya Padam. Tinganta. Okay. Now the Shatru and Shanaj, these are, as I said before, we can translate as continuous participle. Because the tense of the main, the main tense of the tense of the sentence is determined by the main verb. The verb could be denoting the past or present or future or any other tenses and moods possible. And this Shatranta can be an adjective to the other nouns, the karakams, the sentence. It could be an adjective to the nouns in the sentence. So therefore, the Shatranta, the referring to some action which happened in the past, and simultaneously another action was done by the karta. Shatra pratyaya can be used. Similarly, referring to the action which is done now or in the future, which is determined by the main sentence. If it is now, the the verb will be in lat lakara. If it is future, rit lakara. That is a tense of the main verb. And chantranta can be there as an adjective to the nouns in the sentence. That is, that was continuous, or that is continuous. That is continuous, or that will be continuous in keeping with the main action. So main action and this, both two actions are there in the sentence, both are happening simultaneously. Whether it is past or present or future doesn't matter. So that's why we translate these Shatra Shanach as continuous participle. Right. Now the Shatra, which is first of all, it is a Krit Pratyaya, number one. So by seeing the Pratyaya, we should be able to say the properties. It is Shit, therefore Sarvadhataka Pratyaya. So one is Krit Pratyaya, because it is Krit, so therefore the derivative will be a Pratipadikam. The derivative will be a Pratipadikam. And Pratipadikam is declinable in all the genders. In all the genders. Now we'll start with Pullinga, then we will see how it can be declined in other genders. For Strilinga, we need to add one more Pratyaya. We will see that later. So, being Krit, the resultant will be a Pratipadikam, number one. Second, it is Sarvadhataka. Why? Because it is Shit. Therefore, in Kartari, that is in active sentence, active voice sentences, being a Sarvadhataka Pratyaya, therefore, when you add this Pratyaya to the Dhatu, being Krit, they are added to Dhatus. We know it very well. Krit Pratyayas are added to Dhatus, like Ting Pratyayas. The difference is, adding Ting you get Kriya Padam, adding Krit you get a Pratipadikam. That's the difference. Now, Krit, this Shatra and Shanach being Sarvadhataka Pratyaya added to a Dhatu, what will happen? Gana Vikarana walks in. Corresponding Gana Vikarana. Whichever Gana the Dhatu belongs to, that Gana Vikarana will come. We have seen 1, 4, 6, 10. First Gana, fourth Gana, sixth Gana, 10th Gana derivation. Many Dhatus we have seen. And we are seeing the declension of those Dhatus also. 1, 4, 6, 10. Other Ganas we will see later. And Shatra Pratyaya we will cover all the Ganas. So, Gana Vikarana walks in. That is number 2. You need to remember. Then the content of Shatra, Shakara being it, and Ru, it is nasalized Ach, that being it. Therefore, the content is At. The it letters are important. It has got reasons why it is there. Shakara is there. Why? Because to give Sarvadhatukatvam to the Pratyaya. That is why Shakara is there. We know what Sarvadhatukam is. What is Sarvadhatukam?
Ting Shit Sarvadhatukam.
Ting Shit, yeah.
What is Ardhadhatukam?
A thing, not which is thing.
That which
Yeah.
is
All other except
Sheshaha,
Shah.
left out or Ardhadhatukam. So here Shatra, Shakara is there, therefore Sarvadhatukam. And Ru, why Ru is there, we will see that. You can explain now. I will explain some other context why Ru is there. Okay, because I have to talk about the things. Ru is there. Later I will explain. The context will come. Now, you know this much. Shatra Pratyaya, Ru is the it letter. Because of Ru, the it letter, because of the Ru it letter, Num Agama will come. Please note, Num Agama will come. What is Num Agama? What is the content of num?
Nakara.
Nakara will come. Where this nakara will come? Being num.
After the
It's
last
after last vowel.
Last vowel.
After the last ach.
Vowel.
Ach, yeah.
Now, at is there. Suppose num agama comes to shatru. Where the num agama will come?
After
After akara.
After akara.
Akara.
After akara. It means a and then nakara and takara, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It will be ant. It will be ant, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
yes.
The ant. And nakara, that is num, comes because of this it letter. Remember that, because of this it letter. These things you can note. Now, these two things you need to remember. Shakara is a shit letter, therefore sarvadhatuka, and nu is there, therefore num agama will come. Now the question is, just now you chanted the shabda. What shabda? Pachat. Can you tell me where are the num agamas here?
One.
Sarvanamasthanam.
All the sarvana. Yeah.
Very good. Sarvanamasthana. You can see where num agamas are there. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, Pachantam, 2 3. Sorry, 1 4. Where is 1 4? I have to form 1 4. 2 1 and Pachantav 2 2. Then Pachataha 2 3. There is no numagama. 2 3 onwards you can see there is no numagama. Pachata, Pachatbyam, Pachatbihi, not there. And Sarvanama Sambodhana. That is also just only. Right? Therefore numagama is there. Pachan, he Pachantav, he Pachantaha. So note this. R being it, therefore num agama comes for shatru. Shatru is at, therefore it becomes ant. These two things you need to remember. Sarvadhatuka, shatru is sarvadhatuka, and it takes num agama when a sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. Right? That's what I've written here. You can see Shatranta Pullinga. Shatranta Pullinga Pratipadikam will take num agama. You need to know what agama is. We have discussed in the previous classes. Num is nakara. The content is nakara. Nakara being it. Nu, u, it is nasalized. U is that is also it. Therefore, nakara. Makara is that because it is. Makara is that because it is going to be added after the last touch to give that the agama, the mitvam. That is why makara is the mit. So we have three types of agama. What are the three agamas?
Mit, kit,
Tit, mit, kit.
If it is kit, where you will add the agama?
At the end of
At
the
the end of the
End of
stani.
the stani.
If it is tit,
before stani.
Before stani. Beginning of the stani.
beginning of stani. If it is mit, after the last ach of the
Ach.
stani. Here the stani is, and see stani. How many letters are there in the stani?
Only one.
Only one is there. If it is one is there, then
2 letters.
Shatru, at, a, akara, and takara. These are the stani. That is why after the last touch you can say. Right? Then why last touch? Not required. If there is only one letter, then you don't have to say after the last touch, right? When you say after the last touch means there should be more than one letter. Generally, we have seen so far stani in sandhi context and all only one letter. Like iko yanachi. Let us take the sandhi. Ik is replaced by yan. What are the ik letter? Okay, let us take yadi plus atha or yadi plus api. What's sandhi? Yadi.
And sandhi.
Yen.
Yen sandhi.
And sandhi.
What is replaced in yadi?
Yakara. Yakara.
Yakara
No, no, what-
is.
Ikara.
Is. Ikara is replaced.
Yeah, Ikara. Yeah.
Ikara is only one letter. Only the letter E is replaced by Yakara. Not the whole word Yadi. The whole word Yadi, if you replace it, then what will happen? Always you will get ya will come. So Yadi means the last letter E only. We have got paribhashas for that. Ashtadhyayi, you will see later. Alontyasya, the paribhashas are very important. Which how the sthani is. So there echo energy, Yadi E is the sthani. E is replaced by Yakara. Yakara plus Api. A is the Yadyapi. Here, two letters are sthani. So after the last stretch, when we say, that is why after the last stretch, after Akara, Num Agama comes. So therefore it becomes And. Right? So At is a sthani. I mean, Shatra is a sthani. Shatra being At. Therefore At is a sthani. Now, Num Agama will come. Where it will come? When Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya follows. That's why all these topics are connected. You should know what Numagama is, what Sarvanama Sthana Pratyas are. Sarvanama Sthana Pratyas for Pullinga and Strilinga. Sarvanama Sthana Pratyas for Napumsakalinga. So all this information we should have. Now, Shatranta Pullinga Pratipadikam will take Numagama when Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya follows. Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya can be written like this, Sut. It's a Pratyahara. We can form Pratyahara for Pratyas also. Sut, Su, Aujas, Out. So, Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. I've just written here, we know it. Su, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya. Au, Jas. So I was saying that Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. So, oh, just out. Can you see the word file?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, sir.
So in this Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. Shatra will take Num Agama. Right? When this Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Shatra will take Num Agama. So therefore you can see just type here. Suppose
Shamyatam Sharanji,
Yes.
and out Dvitiya Vibhakti, right? Here in this.
yes. Whatever.
No, here it is written
Oh,
as Pratama
copy.
Vibhakti
All these are
Ekavachana
copy
Pratyaya.
paste.
Yeah. Okay.
Copy paste problem. Pratyaya is added. What do you get? Pach plus Shatra. Okay, let me type like this. I'm not okay. I will do another word file. Let me just a minute. Open another word file. So Shatra will take Numagama when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. That's what I said. So Pach plus Shatra. Pach, fine. Shatra. Shatra is what Pratyaya?
Sarvadatka.
Sarvadatka Pratyaya. And Kartari is in Kartari Prayoga. This is Kartari only. Okay. So Kartari. So what will come now? Pach belongs to first Gana. Therefore,
Shap will come.
Gana Vikrana will come. Shap will come. Where Gana Vikrana will come? After Shatru?
No,
No,
before
before
that.
Remember,
After Sthani.
once you add a Pratyaya, First is pratyaya will come after the dhatu. That is first. After that, if any pratyaya comes,
Dhatu.
it comes after always the dhatu, not after any other pratyaya. Okay. First pratyaya what you had, it comes after the prakriti, which is dhatu. After that, if any pratyaya comes, that will come after the dhatu only. Okay. Okay. Now, Pach plus Shap plus then Shatru. I mute the mic. Your mic. Some problem is some noise is there.
Oh, sorry.
Pach plus Shap plus Shatru. Now, Pach plus Shap plus Shatru. Like the Dhatu, where we did the Angakarya, you have to do it. Pach is the Anga for Shap. For Shap, Pach is the Anga, number one. And Pach plus Shap is the Anga for Shatru. Right? Now, Pach plus Shap, just see any Angakarya possible. No Angakarya possible. Because the last letter is not ik letter, the penultimate is not a short ik, so no guna possible. Even though Shap being Sarvadhartaka and Pit, it can create Angakarya, it can do Angakarya, but there is no ik anta is not there, and penultimate also not short ik. So therefore, no Angakarya possible. So Pach plus, like in Pachati, the same thing, Pachati, Pachata, how you derive, the same way, Pach plus A. And Shatru, now, Sarvadhartaka, fine, that's why Shapa has come, and R, therefore, okay, it is R, At. It has got the ith letter, R is there, because of that something will happen. We will see that, we'll come to that later. Now, Pach plus A becomes Pacha. Pacha plus A is, what's on the Pachat? Can we say Pachat?
Ato gune.
Yes. Apadanta A. Pacha is A. It's not Padanta A, followed by a guna letter. So, Pacha plus At will become Pachat. So, you get the Pratipadikam Pachat. Okay. So, see the steps. These are the steps. Pach plus Shatru, then Shap comes, Pach plus Shap. If any Angakarya possible, do it. Otherwise, simply join. Pach plus Shap becomes Pacha. Pacha plus Shatru. Shatru is, the content is At. Therefore, you get the Pratipadikam Pachat. Now, Pachat is what? Pratipadikam. It is a Kridanta Pratipadikam. Takarantaha. You can decline all the genders. For now, we will do Pullinga. Now, when you start declining in the gender, I'm just doing Pratama Vibhakti only. Pachat plus Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya is Su. The content of Su is Pachat plus Sakara. We know what will happen to Sakara. What will happen to Sakara?
Will be dropped.
Dropped.
It's going to be dropped. Okay. So therefore it is going to go. Now, what is Su? What is this Su? That's Sakara.
Pratyaya Sakara.
Sarvanamasthana.
Sarvanamasthana. That's important. Anyway, Pratyaya Sakara, it's going to be dropped. Okay, you assume it is not there. But Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows what? Follows Shatru.
Ananta Shap.
Shatru.
Here, what you see is Pacha plus Shatru is what is there, right?
Yeah.
Pacha plus Shatru. You can see, refer here. What is there? Pacha plus At. That is what is here, Pachat. Shatru is the content is at. So pacha plus at is there. So at is there. You have to remember at is there. That is Shatru is there. Right? Now Shatru followed by Sarvanama Pratyaya. What will happen? Just now I said
Numagama.
Numagama.
Numagama will come. Where the Numagama will come now?
After the last vowel.
Akara.
Gotcha.
After the, in the Shatru, whose content is at, after Akara it will come. Therefore, here where is Akara? The Cha, the A is there. So here the Numagama will come. So you get Pachant. This Akara is dropped. We know why. Because it's following the consonant. Therefore, this Akara is dropped. So therefore, you get Pachant. What do you get? Pachant. What is Pachant now?
Padam.
The Padam. So the Padam, thou, you have got a conjunct consonant. There is a rule. I'll tell you later. Just know this much. Conjunct consonant is there at the end, and the last consonant will be dropped. This is another rule. So after dropping the Takara, what is the form you have? Pachan. Therefore, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Pachan. That is how you get Pachan, right? Understand? The rule part I will tell you why Takara is dropped. That's a rule. Conjunct consonant at the end of the Padam, that last consonant will be dropped. So two things are dropped here, two consonants. One is Sakara is dropped, that we know. That we know for, we have seen for so many Shabdas, Sakara being dropped. That is the Sakara, which is a Pratyaya, following the Halanta, that is dropped. And here, now Pachant is a Padam, and at the end conjunct consonant is there, Takara also is dropped. So you have Pachan. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you do it for Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. So what will be the, what is the Pratyaya for Dvivachanam?
Au.
Su,
Dvivachanam.
Sorry, out.
Au.
Su, au.
So,
only.
au, yeah.
So here, au is there. Okay. So, and what is au? Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows Shatru. At is there. That is Shatru. So therefore you get Numagama. You get Pachant. So now you join Pachant plus au. You will get Pachantau. That is what you chanted now. Pachan, Pachantau. Then similarly, the Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya. Su, au, jas. Jas is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. So therefore Numagama will come. You get Pachant. So just the content of just is as. The content of just is as. Therefore you have Pachan Pachantau. Pachantas. Pachantas is Padanta Sakara. Padanta Sakara becoming Ru, and Ru becoming Visarga. You get Pachantaha. So Pachan, Pachantau, Pachantaha, right? Similarly, other forms that we will see later. Slowly one by one we will see. So you get Pachantaha. Okay. Understand this?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, sir.
If you know
Yes,
Pachan, Pachantau, Pachantaha, similarly Pachantam, Pachantau, and after that onwards it is very simple. There is no Numagama, just already we have seen for Marut Shabda, like Marut you do it. You get the forms. Okay, you take that as a homework. You can do Pachat Shabda as the homework and derive the forms, all the Vibhakti and Vachana. Okay. Anyway, we will take one Shabda and do it later, but now you can take that as the homework and try. It likes just like Marut Shabda. Other than Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, it's like Marut Shabda. Very simple. Okay. Now coming back to the Shatranta. So Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Numagama comes, and we know where the Numagama comes. Therefore, you only have Pachan, Pachantau, Pachantaha, Pachantam, Pachantau iti. Now, When this pratyas follows shatru, whose content is at, already we have seen. Numagama, whose content is makara, not makara, whose content is nakara, typo. Okay. Whose content is nakara will be added after the last touch of the pratyaya shatru, which is at. Therefore, at becomes ant. This we have seen. So examples for derivation of shatranta pullinga pratipadikam. I'm taking pat dhatu here. Pat plus, pat belongs to first gana. Therefore, pat plus shab plus shatru. Pat plus shab becomes pata. Like in Tinganta, patati becomes pata. Then pata plus at. Now patat is pratipadikam. Pata plus at becomes patat. Padanta followed by the guna letter. You need to remember that, otherwise you get patat. It's a problem. So apadanta followed by guna letter is apavada to savarna dirgha sandhi. We have seen in sandhi. So connect with the sandhi rule. You get patat. Now patat is kridanta pratipadikam. Now for our understanding, I am writing like this. I am writing patat as pata plus at. I hope you can understand that. Pata plus at is patat. Pata plus at plus su. You get, this is sarvanamastana pratyaya, you get numagama. Therefore you get patant. And su is dropped, and takara is also dropped. So therefore you get patan. This is already explained with pachan shabda, pachat shabda, the same thing here. Then pratama vibhakti dvivachanam, patat, pata plus at plus au. Patant plus au, you get patantau. Similarly, pata plus at plus jas, bhagavachanam, you get pata plus ant. Up to this, it is common for all, so you don't have to worry about it. Pata plus at, pata plus ant. Then pata plus ant plus jas, it will be patantaha. Then dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam, pratyaya is am. So pata plus at plus pata plus ant plus you get patantam. And out is like au only. So same. Only the pratyaya is itha letter is takara is there. So you get patantau. So now you know the form. Patat will be patan, patantau, patantaha, patantam, patantau, patataha, because it is not sarvanamastana, therefore patataha. No numagama business. Pata plus at plus shas, which is the pratyaya. Dvitiya vibhakti bhagavachana pratyaya. Whose content is as. So pata plus at plus as, what will be? Patatas, padanta sakara, ru, we get patataha, right? Understand this?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, sir.
So patataha is not sarvanamastana, therefore we get patataha. Otherwise we get numagama, but it is not. Similarly for kad also, first gana. Kad plus shab plus shatra. You get the pratipadikam kadat. And it can be declined in pullinga now. Kadan, kadantau, kadantaha, kadantam, kadantau, kadataha. Right? Then the next one. And taking dhatus from different gana, you can see. Pat and kad is first gana. Now div is which gana? Divadi. Fourth gana dhatu.
Fourth.
Right? So div plus shatra. What gana vikrana comes? Shen comes. Div dhatu, first dhatu of the fourth gana, divadi gana, shen comes. Shatra is sarvadhataka. When a sarvadhataka pratyaya is added to the dhatu, gana vikrana walks in. Gana vikrana is shen, corresponding to the div dhatu, which is in the fourth gana. So div plus shen plus shatra. So div plus shen. Can shen do any angakarya? Yes or no?
No.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
Apit.
Apit. Therefore,
Apit.
kitvat.
Yeah.
So the content of shen is ya. So div plus ya will become divya. Why divya? That is exception. Okay, not exception. That's a rule. It's not exception. Even the dhatu we have seen divyati, right? Not divyati. You remember the dhatu, the form divyati, divyataha, divyanti. Similarly, sivyati, sivyataha, sivyanti we have seen. that you need to note that why that div E becomes E separate rule is that it's not important now. So many rules are unnecessary. So just know the form. Div become div. This confusion can come later. That is why I'm saying how div has become div. You'll scratch your head. Don't worry about that. Div becomes div. That's all. Why it is not required now. The simple rule, not a big rule. Irvaho padaya dirgaha. That's a rule. Anyway, so div become div. Siv becomes siv. That much you know. Okay. Then divya plus shatranta at is divyat. So you get the pratipadikam. Divyat takarantaha pullingaha divyat shabdaha. When you decline, you get divyan, divyantau, divyantaha, divyantam, divyantau, divyataha. Why I am writing up to 2, 3? Because after that it is like marut shabda. So simple. That's why I'm not writing that. Divyata, divyadbyam, divyadbihi. Marut shabda, you know it very well. So therefore it is like that. Understand? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Ji.
This is fourth gana. Now I'm taking the fifth gana. Fifth gana we have not seen, but still I'm just saying you also learn fifth gana from this, and we will see Tinganta fifth gana later. I'm taking the dhatu shak. Shak dhatu. Shak, shakye, that is able to, that is the meaning. Shaknoti. Shakti and all comes from this dhatu only, shak. The gana vikarna is shnu. We can note that. Fifth gana we have not seen. The gana vikarna, we have not seen the derivation, but we know gana vikarna. Gana vikarna list we have seen. Fifth gana is shnu. Ninth gana is shna. And for the eighth gana it is u iti. And seventh gana shnam they have seen. So shak plus shnu. Shnu, shakara and nu. Okay. This is also a pit. Therefore, it cannot cause any angakarya. And here shak, there is no possibility also. So shak plus nu will become shaknu. Shakara being ith letter, we get shaknu. Shaknu plus at, that is this at is shatru. What's sandhi now? Shaknu plus at.
Yen Sandhi.
Yen Sandhi.
Yen sandhi should happen, but doesn't happen. Shaknuvat it must be, but it is shaknuvat, right? Shaknu plus at. Yen sandhi doesn't happen. Here we have one more rule. The rule part, don't worry about the rule. This rule and the previous one, how they become div and all. This two rule, I'll say it later. Yen sandhi doesn't happen. There specifically is there. I can tell you like this. If shnu is there, the u of shnu followed by h, when yen sandhi will not happen. Then what will happen? As it joined becomes, as it just simply joined? No. U will be replaced by uv. U will be replaced by uv. That is ukara and vakara. This will be the adesha. Okay. So therefore you have the same shaknuvat. Right? Don't worry about that. We'll see what it is later. I'll explain with the examples. When we see fifth gana, I'll tell you that shaknuvat. The form is shaknuvat. Okay. The form is shaknuvat. You can note it separately. Yen sandhi will not happen. When shnu, that is u of shnu followed by ach, u will be replaced by uv. In uv, ukara is there, vakara is there. Therefore, both you see in shaknuvat. Now shaknuvat pratipadikam you have got. Now it's easy to decline, like pachat shabda. Shaknuvan, shaknuvantau, shaknuvantaha, shaknuvantam, shaknuvantau, shaknuvataha. Okay. So like that, other gana also. But we will see other ganas later. First, let us be familiar with the usage of shatranta. For that, we will do some exercises. Other gana also will come when we do exercises. That time we will see how best we can do it. Because for this, I should explain about the derivation of fifth gana and some other dhatus. After that, we will see. Now, we will see we'll see some examples. Please type your name in the chat box. You can read now. Please type your name in the chat box. Krishnanji, you can read. This is in the Dvitiya Diksha, in the Rashtriya Samskrit Samsthan, second volume, somewhere in between, middle is there. Shatra Pratyanta Rupam Pratama Prayogaha Pullinge. Please read.
अधो लिखितानि वाक्यानि पठत बालकः पठन् गच्छति छात्रः शृण्वन् लिखति.
You understand what Balakaha Patan Gachati?
He is reading while walking.
While reading, boy goes.
Goes.
Patan Balakaha is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. Balakaha Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. So here it qualifies the Karta who is doing the action of going. Gachati is the main Kriya Padam. Suppose if the past tense is there. While reading, he went. So will you
Then it
translate?
can't be Shatru, right? No?
Why not? That's what I said, no? You can, the main tense doesn't matter, whatever it may be. Shatru, that's why I didn't translate as present participle. The present participle translation may be confusing. It's translated as continuous participle.
Okay, then Balaka, Patan Balaka Agachat.
Agachat. Patan balakaha agachat. Patan balakaha gamishyati. Future tense, you can say, why not?
Okay.
Right? It is. That's why they say Shatra is present participle. That's why the doubt came, I think. Because it is present participle, agachat, then Shatra will not come. No, it's not like that. Patan balakaha agachat, you can say. That is why specifically translated as continuous participle. This doubt can come. Okay. So please note that. Let us understand present. This is not Shatra Shanach is continuous participle. It is continuous participle. So if you say it's a past participle also, it's a problem. Present participle also is, because past participles we have other pratyas.
The action is still happening. Okay.
Yes, yeah. Two actions are happening, or were happening, or will be happening simultaneously. Then Shatru, right?
Yeah.
So Patan Balakaha, Patan Pratama Bhakti Ekavacham qualifies a Karta. So Patan has got the Kriya, Pat, reading, and also it's a noun, adjective, qualifying the Karta. The main verb is Gachati. That determines the tense of the sentence. That's what I've been telling. Okay. The tense of the sentence is determined by the Tinganta, the main Kriya Padam, Gachati. Similarly, Chatraha, Shrunvan Likati. Shrunvan is what? Fifth Gana. Shrunvan is fifth Gana. Shrunoti. Shrunoti. Okay. We have not seen fifth Gana. You can just know the Pratama Purusha Ekavachana form of the Dhatu. Shru Dhatu. Shrunoti. Fifth Gana. That becomes Shrunvan. While listening, he writes. Chatraha Shrunvan Likhati. One dhatu, one form of the dhatus belonging to the other, all the ganas, you can know. But it's Pratama Purusha Ekavachana form of the dhatus, so that you can form Shatranta easily. I tell you how it is. Later I tell you. So Shrunvan is listening. It qualifies the Chatra, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana. And here another important thing is Patan Balakaha Gachati, Chatraha Shrunvan Likati. This grammatically, this Vyakarna, they don't accept this. They don't accept Pratama Vibhakti usage. But it is there in the language. The language it is used. Because in the very sutra itself, we will see yesterday class, Apratama it is there. Excepting the Pratama Vibhakti, in other cases, Shatranta can be used. Anyway, but the language we use it. So because usage is there, therefore these examples are given. So you can just take it is there. But grammarians, these traditional grammarians, they don't accept the usage of Kshatranta in Pratama Vibhakti. Pratama Samanadikarane. Na lataha Shatrishanacho. Pratama Samanadikarane. Sutra is there. Anyway. So,
Oh, Charanji, I have
Yeah.
a doubt. In Bhagavad Gita, it comes, right? Ashnan, Shrinvan.
yes, it is there.
But that is Pratama Vibhakti Prayogam or it's different?
It's Pratama Vibhakti Prayogam only.
Oh, okay.
That can come. Vyasacharya can do. Arsha
Okay.
Prayog.
Arsha Prayogam, okay.
But generally, Shatranta is. Sorry, I think with another Kriya it will come. Okay. See, Apratama Samanadikarane, with another Kriya, the Shatran Pratama Vibhakti can come. Suppose there is no Kriya. Like Balakaha, suppose boy reads. Okay, I'm just modifying the sentence. I'm correcting what he said. It is why it's Apratama Samanadikarane, not here, not in this context. Balakaha Patan Gachati, it is fine because two actions are done. Suppose you take Balakaha Gachati alone, you take. Don't take Patan. Balakaha Gachati, right? Not Gachati. Balakaha, let us take Asti. Balakaha Patati. Let's say Balakaha Gachati. Okay, let us take Balakaha Gachati. Now, Gachan Balakaha Asti. That usage I'm saying. Okay. I said it. Balakaha Gachati or Balakaha Patati. You take the sentence like this. Now, Balakaha Gachati. Gachan Balakaha Asti. That usage is not there. Okay, that's what I wanted to say. I said it only. Okay. Gachan Balakaha Asti. Because Asti Bhavati always we supply, right? In the sentence if it is not there.
Mhm.
So, Gachan Balakaha Asti, that usage is not there. That's what I wanted to
So we
say.
say Balakaha Gachati for that.
Yes. But Gachan Balakaha Asti, that it's there in the spoken language. It is also used. But Vyakarna, they don't accept that usage. That's why Apratama Samanadikarane iti. Similarly, Balakaha Patati, when you say Patan Balakaha Asti, we don't say that. But as I said in Sanskrit, the examples and all, you will see that usages are there. So therefore, in the language it is there, but according to the grammar, the Ashtadhyayi rule, it is not accepted. Okay. This is a valid. Okay, here Balakaha Patan Gachati is valid. Please note that. Okay, so it is. I don't want to confuse with more information on that. This is what it is. Here it is fine. It is Balakaha Patan Gachati is very. It's a valid sentence. There is no problem in that. If only one Kriya is there, Balakaha Gachati, then Gachan Balakaha Asti. That Prayoga, according to the grammarian, it is not a Shuddha Vakya, but in the language, such usages are there. Okay. Krishnaji, please continue.
Rishihi Upavishan Japati.
While sitting, Rishi does japa. Upavishan. Upa plus vish dhatu. Shatranta is Upavishan. Okay. Next one, continue.
Kapihi Kadan Arohati.
Khadan. Pratama Vibhakti. Ekavachan. Khadan. Now, okay, one Khadan. Khadan is what? What is the meaning of Khadan?
Eating.
While eating,
While eating.
monkey climbs. The two actions are done. Khadan and Khadana Kriya and Arohana Kriya. Okay. What is the opposite of Khadan? Opposite of Khadan will be
Akhadan.
Akhadan.
Akhadan. Right? Akhadan is Na Khadan, Akhadan. Na Khadan, Akhadan. Nanch Tat Purusha. It's a samasa. Na Khadan, Akhadan. But Akhadan is there. Where it is there?
Lung.
Good.
Bahuvachanam.
Past tense.
The past tense.
Past tense of yeah, lung.
Akadat, akadatam, akadan. So sometimes you will get shatranta in negative, the tamasa. But don't confuse with lung lakara. The possibility is there. In Bhashyam, you would have seen apashyan, not seeing, na pashyan, apashyan. It comes. Apashyan means doesn't mean lung lakara. Okay. So that this confusion is possible. This confusion is possible. The Nanch Tatpurusha of Shatranta will be like the Pratama Purusha Bhagavachana of Lang Lakara. Right? Understand?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Apatan, patatam, apatan. Na patan, apatan. Suppose Balakaha patan gachati. I say, Balakaha, apatan Balakaha gachati. Balaka doesn't read, it goes. Apatan. Balakaha, apatan. Apatan is not lang lakara. Suppose if it is lang, it will not be balakaha. It will be balakaha, must be Bhagavachana. That grammar, that you have to see the karta also. Karta may be in ekavachanam. That's why it is apatan. That's why it is apatan. Apatan is shatranta. You can infer that as a shatranta by seeing the karta. See the vachanam of the karta. If it is lang lakara, vachana must be bhagavachanam. So from that you can make out whether it is shatranta or it is lang lakara. If it is lang lakara, then karta corresponding, the karta must be in bhagavachanam. Okay, this confusion can come. That is why clarifying it now. In Bhashya, we have seen some places. Apashyan, iti esam. Napashyan is apashyan. I think in Gita Bhashyam, in the Upodgata, maybe later, we have seen this. Please continue, Krishnanji.
Nartakaha Nrityan Gayati. Neta Smaran Likati.
Yes, all these are simple usage of Shatranta. Then we will see a long sentence where Shatranta used for all the vibhaktis. So slowly we will see that. Then Ramaji, Savadhanam Patata. Yes.
पठति छात्रः पठनसमकालं लिखति छात्रः लिखन् पठति
Right?
रामः
Yeah, please read.
रामः लेखनसमकालं शृणोति रामः शृण्वन् लिखति.
So Shrunoti, you can note this fifth gana. Shrunoti becomes Shrunvan. So other dhatus belong to other gana. Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam alone, it is enough for Shatranta. If you know it, you can form Shatranta. Shrunoti becomes Shrunvan. Continue.
भीमः भ्रमणसमकालं खादति भीमः खादन् भ्रमति. कृष्णः खादनसमकालं पिबति कृष्णः पिबन् खादति. राघवः श्रवणसमकालं पठति राघवः पठन् शृणोति. केशवः पठनसमकालं क्रीडति केशवः क्रीडन् पठति.
Yes. Ganeshji. Ado likitani rupani patata. So latlakara and shatranta is giving. Latlakara, you know why it is giving, is easy to form easy to infer the shatranta. That is why giving latlakara. It has no other connection. Not that it is latlakara and shatranta is it is only to show the you can see the similarity, how easily it can be derived from latlakara form. That's why he's giving this.
All are Pratama Purusha Ekvachanam.
Yes.
Patati becomes Patan.
So ti you remove it. Instead of ti you add nakara, patan. That becomes Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Pullinga. Right?
Right.
Patati will become patan.
Patan.
Yes.
Likati becomes Likhan. Vadati becomes Vadan. Gayati becomes Gayan. Kridati becomes Kridan. Gachati becomes Gachan. Tishtati becomes Tishtan. Milati becomes Milan. स्मरति स्मरन्, खादति खादन्.
Yes. Please read this.
पठन् लिखन् इत्यादीनां
प्रत्ययान्तानां
प्रत्ययान्तां मूलरूपं भवति पठत् लिखत् इत्यादि.
Understand the sentence?
So patan and likam becomes patat and likat.
That becomes patan and likan ityadinam shatra pratyantanam. These are shatra pratyanta, patan likan. So their original form, moola rupam is patat likat.
Patat and likat.
The patat and likat are the moola rupa from which patan and likan are derived. That's what he says.
The
Okay.
basis.
Continue.
Patat ityatra bhagadvayam pat plus at iti.
Two bhagadvayam means two parts are there in patat. One is pat, other one is at. Here he is not giving the Ganavikrana, but you should know it is pat plus shab plus at. Okay, it is not bhagadvayam. It is bhagatrayam really. Okay, please read.
Pat iti dhatuhu, at iti pratyayah. प्रत्ययस्त नाम शत्रु ब्रैकेट अत इति. यस्य रूपस्य अन्ते शत्रु ब्रैकेट अत इति प्रत्ययः भवति तत् शत्रु प्रत्ययान्तं रूपम्. अतः पठत् लिखत् गच्छत् पिबत् इत्यादीनि शत्रु प्रत्यय रूपाणि. प्रत्ययान्त रूपाणि. पुल्लिंगे पठन् गच्छन् इत्यादि रीत्या प्रथमा एकवचने रूपाणि.
It's just helping you by saying that you can easily form the shatranta by this. By this, the last letter will be patat, gachat, so nakara will be there. Okay. Anyway, we have seen this. Pat plus one more pratyaya will come, Ganavikarana pratyaya, which is not mentioning. Therefore, bhagatrayam will be there. So pat plus shab plus corresponding Ganavikarana. Okay. So patat, likat, gachat. These are the pratyanta. And ekavachanam, pulling ekavachanam will be patan vachaniti. The last letter takara is replaced by nakara. Only that much he says here. Okay. Then continuing the next one. Sumati, please read. Please.
Yeah, it is latlakara is patati and shatru pratyantaha is patan. Likati, likan.
So patati is kriya padam. So pratipadikam is patat. And patat becomes patan, right? That is connection.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then vadati, vadan, gayati, gayan, then gachati, gachan. I'm sorry, I left. Kridati, kridan, gachati, gachan, tishtati, tishtan, milati, milan, smarati, smaran, then khadati, khadan.
Please read.
पठन् लिखन् इत्यादीनां शत्रु प्रत्ययान्तानां मूलरूपं भवति पठत् लिखत् इत्यादि. पठत् इत्यत्र भागद्वयं पट् प्लस् अत् इति. पट् इति धातुः, अत् इति प्रत्ययः. प्रत्ययस्य नाम शत्रु ब्रैकेट अत् इति. यस्य रूपस्य अन्ते शत्रु in bracket at iti pratyayah bhavati tat shatru pratyayantam rupam. Atah patat likat gachat pibat ityadini shatru pratyayanta rupani. Pullinge patan gachan ityadi ritya pratama ekavachane rupani.
You can understand this, right?
Yeah, what you said right now, no, Sharanji.
Yes. Yeah. Ityadi ritya. Ritya, riti is strilinga. Ityadi ritya. Riti means in this way, in this manner. Riti.
Okay.
In this method. It's riti. Ityadi ritya. Tritya vibhakti. Ityadi ritya. Pratama ekavachane. Patan gachan iti bhavati. Shatranta will be patat likat. And pullinge saptami bhakti. Pullinge. In pullinga. Patan gachan. The form will be patan gachan. Pratama bhakti ekavachana. Then continuing the next one, Kameshwaraji. Now we have to give the Shatranta form. Ado nirdishtanam kriyapadanam pullinge Shatranta rupani likata. Once you form the Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam, then other forms are easy. Can do Kameshwaraji.
Yeah. Patati patan, likati likan, gacchati gacchan, japati japan, pibati piban, tarati taran, arohati arohan, patati patan, nrityati nrityan, pashyati pashyan, brahmati brahman, ganayati ganayan, charati charan, upavishati upavishan, tishtati tishtan, vahati vahan, tadayati tadayan, hasati hasan, harati haran, namati naman, rakshati rakshan.
Okay, now next person. So these are the forms. Pratama Bhakti is giving. Krishnanji, you can read the next one. Ado likita vakyani Shatru Pratyanta Prayoge Parivartayata. So
aham patana samakalam likami. Aham likan patami.
yes.
Sah darshana samakalam vadati. Sah
What is darshana?
Pashyan vadati.
Yes.
Sah pana samakalam kadati. Sah piban kadati. Prakashah swapana samakalam patati.
Swapan.
Swapan.
In Gita, 5th chapter, Pashyan, Shranvan, Spashan, Jigran, Ashtan, Gachan, Swapan, Shvasan, Pralapan, Visajan, Virnan, Unmishan, Nimishan, Napi, all are Shatranta. Okay. So Swapan, the word is there.
So Prakasha Swapan patati.
Swapan patati. Why sleeping he reads? Okay.
Nagaraj hai lekana samakalam pashyati. Nagaraj hai likan
I hope you
pashyati.
don't read Sanskritam like that. Swapan. Or Swapan na Shrunoti.
Both are
Yeah, if it
Nagaraj
is
hai
late for
likan.
you, maybe you're doing this both. I don't know in US what time is that now.
Sharanji, I have one question.
Yes.
Yeah, it's other way.
Yeah, please.
The example they gave is Tana Samakalam Likhama.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the other way around.
Aham Likhan Patami. So Darshana Samakalam Vadati would be Vadan Sahada Vadan Darshati. Is that how it would
Okay.
work?
Yes, yes. The
Is
example.
that
As per
how
the
it
example.
should work? Or people
Yes,
should
yes.
work either way?
Yes, yes. You can follow the Udaharanam, Krishnaji, as is given.
Okay. So I reversed it.
Since
Okay.
two actions are given, so which is the main kriya that depends
So
on the
how do-
context. Depends on the context. See, Patana Samakalam Likami. So Patana Samakalam Likami means it's so Patan. So Patami, Aham Patami, then I do a writing also. So as per the sentence, it must be Aham Likan Patami. That is correct only. Patana Samakalam Likami. So Patana Samakalam is Aham Patami. Patami is the Pradhana Kriya. I also write while I read. So write Likan will go. Likan will be Shatranta. That is how it is. You're right. Please do it again, Krishnaji.
Yeah. Sah vadan pashyati. Sah kadan pibati. Prakashah patan
Swapiti.
supiti.
Swapiti. Okay. Okay.
Nagarajah pashyan likati.
Okay. Continue.
Kushah yajana samakalam japati. Kushah जपन् यजति महिषः भ्रमणसमकालं चरति महिषः चरन् भ्रमति राकेशः अवतरणसमकालं वदति राकेशः वदन् अवतरति
Avatarati is descends, coming down. Avatarati. Okay.
सूदः पचनसमकालं चिन्तयति सूदः चिन्तयन् पचति कृष्णः गमनसमकालं स्मरति कृष्णः स्मरन् गच्छति
Yes.
छात्रः लेखनसमकालं पृच्छति छात्रः पृच्छन्
Yes. Prichan.
लिखति
Next person. Ramaji.
Yeah. गुरुः दर्शनसमकालं बोधयति गुरुः बोधयन् पश्यति
Yes.
नर्तकः नर्तनसमकालं गायति नर्तकः गायन् नर्तति नृत्यति then बालकः कूर्दनसमकालं पतति बालकः पतन् कूर्दति okay then
Kurdati is jumping.
okay पुरुषः निन्दनसमकालं ताडयति पुरुषः ताडयन् निन्दति सुनीलः पाठनसमकालं आदिशति सुनीलः आदिशन् पाठयति
Addition
then
is orders or directing. Okay.
जनः क्रीडनसमकालं पश्यति जनः पश्यन् क्रीडति then पिता पठनसमकालं उपविशति पिता उपविशन् पठति कृषकः चलनसमकालं कर्षति कृषकः कर्षन् चलति भटः भ्रमणसमकालं रक्षति भटः रक्षन् भ्रमति then भक्तः वदनसमकालं अच्छति भक्तः अच्छन् वदति
Ganesh.
बालः चलनसमकालं हसति बालः हसन् चलति कुमारः खादनसमकालं पिबति कुमारः पिबन् खादति रामः लेखनसमकालं स्मरति रामः स्मरन् लिखति अहं भ्रमणसमकालं न खादति अहं खादामि अहं न खादन् भ्रमति
Yes.
भ्रमामि
Akhadan. Now you can say akadan.
अहम् अखादन्
Brahmami. So you can use the negative of it. Akhadan. Okay. So this is a starting, and you will see a lot of things will be coming up. For the other ganas, Srilinga, Pullinga, so many things will come. And the sentence slowly will become not complicated. You will see how it, lot of the other forms will be used. Only here you see Prathama Vibhakti usage. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, and any Vachanam can come. So you will see development of the sentence slowly. Okay. So we can stop here. The topic of Shatru will continue for the next few classes. It will go for many classes. It's a big topic. Big topic means a lot of exercises we can do. Okay. So we can stop here. You have any doubts? Please ask. Any doubts you have?
No, sir.
You need to remember Shatra is, it's a Krit Pratyaya, Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, and Gana Vikarana will come. That you need to know. Shatra and Shanaj. Shatra for Parasmipadi, Shanaj for Atmanipadi. So remember this for all the other classes. Okay.
One doubt.
Yeah.
Did you say that like Balakaka Shrunoti, we can translate like Balakaka Shrunvan Asti, right? It's not
Yeah.
grammatically correct, did you say?
Not it is Vayakana, they don't accept that because
But in
Nataka
a practice
Shatrasha.
book, it is given like a
Yeah, it is
whole
given.
practice book. It's given the whole thing.
In the
as like,
which practice book?
the Shatru Shanachanta Manjari.
That's what I'm saying, Samskrita Bharati.
Yeah, Sanskrit Bharat.
That's what I'm saying. They are using that is the first exercise. I can show you in the screen itself. It is there. I kept it open. I thought we will do it later. It is there.
Right,
Soft copy is here. I will explain this. We'll do it later. But Vyakarna, according to the rule, Panini rule, Lataha Shatrashana, Apratama Samanadikarane only it says. So Patan Balakaha Asti, that we don't say it. It's not there according to grammar. But in the spoken, in the Vahara, it is there. Therefore, but those who know Sanskritam very well, those who follow the grammar, they will not say like that.
Okay.
Renji, I have a question.
Yes.
Nagaratnam. Instead of Akhadan, is it okay to say Nakhadan?
Why not?
Okay, because Akhadan, I know you said that's the way it is. You can see you have to think this way, but it doesn't quickly go the
Yeah,
meaning of
you can say
it goes to the other linga and the lakara.
Langlakara. Okay, you can say Nakadan. Why not? Correct only.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Ji, one doubt, Ji.
Yeah.
Is it Agama Vichara valid here for the?
No, it won't come here. Why? Because there is no. It's not Ardha Dhatuka. We are not dealing with Ardha Dhatuka. So no Itagama. Right?
Shatru is Ardha Dhatuka, right?
Shatru is.
Sorry. Yeah. Okay.
The three important points I wanted you to remember, I said. Shatru is Shit, it's a Krit, it's a Sarvadhataka, and Ganavikana will come.
Yeah.
And also you said like it's a pith and there is no Angakaryam, right? Did you say it like that?
Sorry?
You said it's a pith and it's no because there is no ik, there is no Angakaryam. Did you say like that, Ji?
For what? For Shatru?
Yeah.
It is Sarvadhatukam, it is Apit.
Apit only, right? Yeah, that's what. It's a Apit, right?
It is Apit, therefore no
Angakarya.
No Angakarya, yes. The
But
Angakarya happens because of the Ganavikana Pratyaya, not because of Shatru.
Okay. Because of Shap you are saying. Okay.
Because of Shap only. Angakarya happens because of the Ganavikana which comes in between the Dhatu and the Shatru Pratyaya.
Okay.
Not because of Shatru. That's what we are, Kit only we are saying. Savadhatukam Apit Kit.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಶರಣಜಿ.